bicycle build's gonna need some new wheels before we build this. I am getting ready to sandblast that whole thing today, the fork and stuff.
Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around.
Alright, so I just welded up my pipe for this. I think that came out pretty sick. So I got it in line with the frame. This looks nice. And then I figured I'd show you this. There's the brake. I'm telling you, that's one of the nicest looking freaking brake holders for a beach cruiser frame I've ever seen anyways. Gonna put the nibby carb on. I got my seat coming and that cover plate, and then we're good to go.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids,
are you freaking kidding me? I was gonna go take this for the first start. Alright, so I put an old seat on it. We're gonna give this a go, see if we can start it. Got gas on? I don't know where anything is on this one. Oh god, we're on the other side. Alright, let's see if we can get gas to the car a bit. There. Let's see if we can do this. Whoa. Oh, she's gonna turn over. I can't reach the curb. There we go. I have no idea where anything's set to. Holy crap. Wow. It's running. Damn. Alright, that's a monster. 54 millimeter Ms460. That's the first start of that one. Holy crap. That is a sick freaking engine right there on this bike setup. Alright, well, we're going to look forward to a ride video because it is way too wet for that. But damn.